Hello friends, I am Mansi Magar, Department of Chemistry, GMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. Now, in today's lecture, we have to see lecture 6, chapter 1st, Soil Chemistry. We want to see soil atmosphere. Guys, the soil air or soil gases form one of the five components of the soil, a part of the soil volume that is not occupied by the soil particles, known as pore space. It is occupied both by water and air. The volume of water varies inversely with that of air. Hence, soil contains less air during monsoon than in summer. See the approximate composition of loamy surface soil. It contains mineral matter 45%, air is 25%, water is 25%, and organic matter is 5%. This diagram represents the approximate composition by volume of a lower surface. While it is rich in organic matter and is in optimum condition for plant growth rate. The microorganism constituents a very small fraction of the total soil volume. Now see the soil aeration. The soil aeration definition is it is the constant movement of air in the soil mass resulting in the renewal of its component gases. The factor affecting on a soil air is temperature, diffusion, wind and water. The soil air contains N2, O2, CO2 and water vapor. It contains CO2 in a large amount and O2 in a less amount. Now we want to focus on solid water. All solids contains water, but their capacity of absorbing and retaining water varies widely. The plant growth depends on water as it acts as carrier of food, nutrients and solvent. It is absorbed by plants through roots and given out from leaf surface. The crop yield is determined by the amount of water available. The soil obtains its water from retained snow or irrigation. Water is lost from the soil by evaporation. The process of weathering and soil formation depends on water. The microorganisms in the soil also require water for their metabolic activity. Soil water also essential for photosynthesis. Now, some types of soil water. The soil water is divided into three types: hydroscopic water, capillary water, and gravitational water. Hydroscopic water, the water absorbed by dry soil called as hydroscopic water. The amount of this in soil depends on texture of soil, colloidal material, and humid and temperature. Next type is capillary water, also called as available water. In capillary water, it evaporates easily at ordinary temperature. Plant roots also absorb it. Its amount in a soil varies due to surface tension of water films, the soil texture, soil structure and organic matter. Next type is gravitational water. Gravitational water is also called as seepage water. This water is percolated in soil due to force of gravity. The movement of percolation of water depends on texture, structure, temperature, pressure, and resistance offered by trapped soil air. Next point is soil microorganism or biological system of the soil. In this soil microorganism, the soil contains several distinct groups of microorganisms, but algae, fungi, bacteria, and protozoa are the most important. Different organisms are intermixed in the soil. Each organism or group is responsible for specific change or specific transformation in the soil. They synthesize a large number of microbial tissue and cells which ultimately form a part of the soil. The organic matter, the sum of the products of their activity, also take part in weathering, the soil formation and development. The microorganism depends almost entirely on for soil for their nutrition and growth. They help to maintain the balance of nature to protect life against accumulation of dead vegetables and animal materials. Activity of microorganisms are caused by moisture, temperature, light, reaction, air, food and energy supply. The next point is physical property of soil. The, the method and rate of soil formation differ throughout the soil. That means we want to focus on new point, that is physical property of soil. As a result, the soil develops layers. These layers are called as soil horizons. Actually, there are three types of horizons: A horizon, B horizon, and C horizon. The characteristics of soil horizon: first, soil color, texture, structure, density, porosity, temperature, thickness of horizon, and last is chemical conditions. This is all are characteristics of soil horizon. First, soil color. In soil color, the soil range in color from yellow to dark brown and black. Second, due to color of soil, rheologists get an idea about amount of air, water, organic and material and elements present in the soil. Third, color of soil is directly proportional to temperature. Iron compounds give red, yellow and brown color to the soil, while silica gives light color to soil. Next point, texture. Texture, it depends on the size of the material. Mineral particles, sand are the large particles. Slides are just large enough to be seen. Clays are microscopic. Soil texture is defined as a proportionate quality of sand, slime and clay in the mineral fraction of soil. Phrenologists divided soil into several classes according to the amount of sand, clay and clay in a soil. It helps to determine how thoroughly water drains from soil. Next point is soil density. Density of soil is defined as mass per unit volume. Average density of soil is 2.65 gram per ml. It varies with degree of weathering. It is expressed in two terms. First, particle density, second bulk density. In particle density, it is the average density of soil particles, not including fluid space. The weight of soil is expressed in specific gravity. The specific gravity of soil particles is equal to particle density upon density of water. The second one is bulk density. In bulk density, it is the dry weight of unit volume of soil, including fluid space. It is, it is a less than particles density and it changes with fluid space of soil. Texture, structure, pore space, organic matter are related to bulk density. It helps in better cultivation of crops. Thank you.